Gold showed good swings yesterday and in fact has achieved lower lows for the week. It has gone close to 1813 levels and closed in red. Now what to expect today from gold? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Remember, the non-farm payrolls data coming in from US just before the US session is going to be critical for gold, and definitely it will bring lot much of volatility, and hence you have to trade with caution here. So with that, and what to expect from the data, which position you should take with, that is also what we will try to answer with this analysis. So let's start. First we'll look into hourly charts and then graduate towards the daily charts. Do watch till the let's start. And yes, your every like, comment, share and subscribe is a great support motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Now let's start. Yesterday I told you that only buying entry is above 1930 levels. If you see it is staying above 1830 levels, if you see gold staying above 1830 levels, you can initiate a buying position. So far yesterday it has failed to break past 1830 and traded with a bearish bias. At the same time, the selling entry was at 1820 and in fact it has breached now the lows for the previous days, that is at around 1814, and achieved lower lows. Now if you look at the complete movement on the hourly charts, you will find lower highs are getting created, lower lows are getting created. Thus, and see the moving averages are converging, it is trying to show a slight bullish bias. Thus it is confirmed that if you see gold is staying above 1830, you can again initiate a buying entry there at 1830 and expect it to rise. Beyond 1830, I will look forward to 34-36 zone as the first target and then 40 levels. 1840 is going to be a major resistance for today, and then ultimately beyond 1850 is where the bulls will try to take over. As long as these positions are respected, do not treat gold as bullish. Now if you look at the hourly charts here, what it has done is higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It has come to the resistance levels here. Now see 1825, 26 is a great resistance zone, and then 1830. These are two very important levels for the day, and you have to watch out closely how gold behaves at around those levels. Let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic back to overbought zone. MACD trading with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, trying to indicate slight bullishness. But this is just on hourly charts. Let's have a look at 2-hour chart. Likewise on the 2-hour charts is same observation, nothing different. Yes, it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Earlier breakout, it is nullified, it has gone further lows to this. Now remember one more point, a breakout above 1830 certainly can bring more bullishness. At the same time, on the downside, just watch out for how it behaves at around 1815 levels. First, yes, 1820 could be a good selling entry, but then you have to observe how it behaves at around 1815, 1814 levels. Below that, certainly a massive drop cannot be denied here. It can try to, in fact, trade further bearish, move towards 1800 levels. This is also very much possible. Stochastic is back to overbought levels. MACD trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards here. Coming to 3-hour. Now if you look at 3-hour chart, see prices were divergent from the moving average. See, it has waited for the moving average to come down and it has just consolidated. The price is consolidated around this zone. You can note that one attempt towards 20 period, then retracement, then second attempt towards 20 period, then lower lows, then again third attempt towards 20 period moving average certainly is a good resistance for gold, beyond which, see, right now one must note that on the 3-hour charts, the Bullinger Bands has narrowed strongly. It means it will give the stronger move whichever ways it gives a breakout, and it will try to expand. The first move could be on the upside where it can stretch a little on the upside, where 1840 levels also can be expected, and 50 period move. After achieving 50 period moving average, it can reverse. That is also one of the probabilities one should look at. However, right now if you look at higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen, I will wait for 1830 levels certainly to be breached in order to confirm the rise. The stochastic back to overbought zone. MACD is in green. It is trading with divergence. It is trading with bullishness. Also, if you look at MACD here, see the formation there, one wave, second wave, a crossover here should bring further bearishness. RSI coming out of the oversold, looking upwards, staying. Now look at 4-hour chart. See again, moving averages are trading with so much of divergence that a possible conversion is can be seen here. A possible conversion means a rise. However, you have to note that only and only if it breaks out on the upside, a possible rise will be seen here. But note that as long as 1850 levels are not breached on the upside, we can expect a downtrend. We can expect a drop again in gold. Hence, we have to watch out. We have to stay cautious and alert here with the rise. Now, if you look at the moving averages are trading with so much of divergence, chances of a little conversion exist. However, one must note that there are greater resistances on the upside. So far what it is doing, it is giving you higher lows. It is trying to retrace above 1825-26 you can buy, but then be careful at around 1830. And if and only if gold stays at 1830 and above levels, you can say that the bulls are back. Stochastic is rising, MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the day, now observe the daily charts closely. You will find lower highs, lower lows trying to trade in this channel. This is a bearish channel, and that is why I say you have to wait for a breakout above 1830 and then 35 levels. If it does show you a breakout, you can expect that the bullish momentum may prevail. Also, one must note that the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. They are waiting for the moving average to come down a little. Yes, with every passing day, it is trying to achieve the lows. It is trying to bring the moving average slightly lower. Right now, it is positioned at around 1870 levels, close to 1870-75 zone. Next observation here is, see, the candle size has diminished. It has created a doji, and yesterday it has shown you a swing with increasing body size. This is also one of the indication probably that there could be a further downward candle which can stretch the drop here, and hence one has to remain extra cautious. Though the space there on the upside is wide open, it has lot much of room on the upside, but at the same time, one must not forget that it can achieve 1800 and below levels before reversing. The stochastic is oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. And if you note that the candle size have started to diminish, also it has achieved slightly lower levels. It does not mean that it cannot achieve further lows, but yes, it is at slightly lower levels, which increases the chances of a reversal, and RSI is also oversold here. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Here it has gone close to the bottom of the channel at around 1810. This is the bearish channel in which gold is trading since long on the daily charts. You can see highs, lows here. So it has achieved the bottom of the channel and it is trying to recover. However, any breach outside the channel certainly should bring more bearishness. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold today at 1826 levels, 1826.5 levels. This is the zone where you can enter a buy with a strict caution note that 1830-32, as long as gold stays below this zone, you should not be treating gold as bullish. It can reverse any point of time. It can crash again any point of time. Above 1830-32 is where the rise can be expected. And then 1836 and 1840, once it breaks past 1840, more bullish momentum may prevail. However, we have to look forward for it to break past 1850 levels in order to confirm the reversal there. Beyond 1850 is where the bulls will take over. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 1820, but then be watchful, careful, attentive of first at 1814-15 zone, then at 1808, 1810 levels, and below that we may see gold breaking below 1800 levels as well. And before I give you the complete summary, see, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. And now if you look at, see, as long as this zone is respected, we should not be looking forward to reversal, but beyond 1840-50 zone is where the reversal is confirmed, where one can expect a rise towards 1865-70 zone. Now on the downside, 1800 is going to be a major milestone which it would like to break, and below 1800 is where the bears will take over. Remember, I have discussed several times that below 1800 the next milestones are 1780, 1750 levels, which might get achieved in gold in a hurry. So you have to trade with caution. I think for the week, possibly 1800 levels are going to remain a good support, but then do not initiate a buying entry here. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Avoid the news volatility, or else trade with a stop loss there. See you again with more detailed analysis on major global markets and commodities. My weekly reviews will be released tomorrow. Do watch that as well. Stay tuned, and you can stay updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.